Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to view a TikTok in full screen mode. Get ready to immerse yourself in a captivating TikTok experience. Let's begin. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to a TikTok video that you want to watch in full screen mode. Step 3. To enter full screen mode, simply tap and hold on the video. While holding, slide your finger across the screen until you see the option Clear Screen. Release your finger on Clear Screen. Congratulations! You've successfully entered full screen mode, allowing you to enjoy the TikTok video in all its glory. Immerse yourself in the captivating content and lose yourself in the TikTok experience. By viewing TikToks in full screen mode, you can appreciate the details, creativity, and entertainment to the fullest. It's an excellent way to enhance your TikTok viewing experience and engage with the content creator's vision. Remember, if you want to exit full screen mode and return to the regular TikTok view, simply tap anywhere on the screen outside the video. We hope you found this guide helpful in viewing TikToks in full screen mode. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful TikTok tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching and enjoy exploring the world of TikTok in full screen mode.